Hey friends, if you wish to end task on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first method is through settings. So let's assume that I have ShareX open here. So I will search for ShareX in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane. I'll wait for this to load, scroll down and click on terminate, and this will kill the process. Now I'll open it again so that I can kill it again. Okay, the next method is through the task manager. So search for task manager, open the task manager window, wait for the processes to load, right click on the active task and select end task. And the last method is through a command line. So let's say that the process is notepad, because I know its path. Its path is actually notepad.exe. So the command will be task kill /im space the path of the program. I'll repeat it: task kill space task kill /im space and the name. So the name will be notepad.exe in my case. If it's Excel, it would be excel.exe. If it's Word, it would be winword.exe. So I'll copy this one. I'll search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and I'll click on run as administrator and I will paste it here and hit enter. And the task has been terminated. So it said success, and then as you can see, Notepad has been closed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.